Xavier here, and today we're gonna be watching the trailer for Black Panther 2. It's like the Black Panther 2 Wakanda Forever. Right. So I'm not sure about like I've been totally got no news about what's gonna be in this, so it's like a be uh basically a blind reaction. This trailer came out earlier today. Not gonna see it at the same time, the same day it came out, but looking forward to it. And yeah, in a chit chat, let's let's go play. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. Little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman no cry. Good friends we are, and good friends. Is that a funeral procession scene? When they're in the white? In this great future, you can't forget your past. Who was pregnant? Hey, hey,
I am queen of the most powerful nation in the world, and my entire family is gone. Have I not given everything?
entire family is gone? What? Okay, that's Namor. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so that was interesting. It's quite a bit there. They didn't let us know who's gonna be the new Black Panther. Um, it's a teaser trailer, so understandable. Gonna be interesting. We saw there are Angela Bassett's character. Who does she play? Ramonda, Queen Ramonda. She's saying something about her family. Her entire family is dead. Okay, so that confirms that T'Challa is definitely dead in this sequel. That makes sense. Even the one because they made the announcement that they would be doing. Not sure if they announced it or just based on what was happening and based on the casting and all that. We knew that there wasn't going to be a Chadwick replacement, so I'm fine with that. They haven't said that Shuri's gonna be new Black Panther. As she said, her entire family is dead, so does that mean Shuri too? I don't know. Could be Lupita's character. Michaela Cole is back. No, not back. Michaela Cole is a new character. We see Namor in there, and so we can see some underwater scenes. That's gonna be a new aspect of this. We saw Soldier's Boy and a Wakandan ship. It's gonna be like some conflict, and that's all. What did they call it? I don't know what name was people. They're Atlanteans. Nice little teaser. didn't give us a lot. Tells us details we're gonna have a new Black Panther. Martin Freeman is back. Ramonda is back with Angela Bassett. Shuri's back with Letitia. Danai is back. I think we got saw it earlier recently that the boy that went the Mande and him he's not gonna reprise his role. Daniel Kaluuya, yeah, right. He's not gonna be back. Chadwick is obviously not gonna be back. Florence Whitaker is obviously not gonna be back. Michael B. Jordan, obviously. But yeah, Shuri's back. Martin Freeman's character is back. Angela Bassett is back. Dana is back. See Dora Minaj. Michaela Cole is a new character. See Neymar. I don't know the name of the actor. Looks like someone a fresh face they're casting. Or maybe it's been in some mainstream thing that I haven't seen yet. Could be. But yeah, sets us up well for the next trailer, cause hopefully that gives it a little bit more, not too much. And then yeah, that's the final trailer I'm watching. So this was a nice little thing to set us up, and then we're gonna see what happens in the next one. Those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts currently on it, and yeah, that should be enough now. And bye.